Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Is your refrigerator struggling to keep things cold, or perhaps not cooling at all? Don't panic. Often, the solution is much simpler than buying a brand new appliance. Many common cooling problems can be easily diagnosed and fixed right in your home. We'll explore the top 3 culprits behind a warm fridge, helping you restore its chill without a costly service call. You might be surprised how straightforward some of these repairs can be. The first place to check is often right behind or beneath your refrigerator, the condenser coils. These coils release heat from inside your fridge, but when covered in dust and pet hair, they can't do their job effectively. This makes the compressor work much harder, leading to poor cooling. Simply unplug your fridge, vacuum the coils thoroughly, and then plug it back in. This easy cleaning step often restores full cooling power. Next, let's examine your refrigerator's door seal, also known as the gasket. If this seal is cracked, loose, or torn, cold air escapes and warm air sneaks in, forcing your fridge to run constantly. To test it, close the door on a dollar bill. If you can pull the bill out easily, your seal might need replacing. This simple inspection can prevent a lot of wasted energy and improve cooling. Inside your freezer compartment, there's an important component called the evaporator fan. Its job is to move cold air from the freezer into the main refrigerator compartment. If you notice your freezer is cold but the fridge isn't, listen for the fan. Unusual noises, or no sound at all, could indicate a problem. A blocked or broken fan means cool air cannot circulate properly, leading to a warm, fresh food section. While these tips cover many common issues, some problems are best left to the experts. If you've checked the coils, door seal, and evaporator fan, but your fridge still isn't cooling, you might have a more complex issue. Compressor problems or refrigerant leaks definitely require a trained technician to diagnose and repair safely. Remember, a little routine maintenance goes a long way in keeping your refrigerator running efficiently for years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.